Ian and I are working together on a project called Argus, as you say. This is an Innovate UK-funded project through Manufacturing Made Smarter. And it was all about creating an innovative digital solution to solve a real life supply chain problem. And although it wasn't directly linked to net zero, it's actually linked to how we measure microbiology real time and in line. I think what we're learning is the power of digital, the power of using the data that we have in our manufacturing plants, the power of having a sensor that can detect something that can give us some useful information, and then working with Ian's company and the digital platform that we have, how we can integrate that data, process that data, and even look for models and trends to help us better predict issues when they happen or before they happen, hopefully, versus what we've done historically, which is catch them, before we release the product to go to the market. So, and again, although that's a quality issue, if you like, you can use that digital data, I'm sure, to track many different trends, whether it's trying to understand energy efficiency or how to reduce emissions or what's the performance of your plant. So I think we're learning an absolute ton through the collaboration with Ian as well as the Innovate UK project. And indeed, I think it's something we're definitely going to accelerate and roll out for the future.